FANUC America Authorized System Integrator StrongPoint Automation developed this robotic system to utilize two FANUC M-410iC 185 palletizing robots with servo-actuated end-of-arm tools to palletize products from 3 lines. Cases are metered into 3 infeeds using a dual-stage meter belt where rows of product are created for robotic palletizing. A pneumatically actuated case bump turner is used to orient cases for particular pattern requirements. This method of row forming allows a single pick of similar cases along the long side or the narrow side leading case. Empty pallets are introduced into the system using 3 automatic pallet magazines capable of holding a stack of 12 pallets. The recipe-driven interface chooses which pallet type is required. Pallet tracking is also connected to the system via a plant ERP system used to print custom label requirements on each pallet. The robot tooling uses FANUC servo motors that are treated as an independent group within the FANUC robot. This allows all end-of-arm tool servos to be controlled by the FANUC robot. A single Allen Bradley PLC controls both palletizing cells and allows control of both cells through a single HMI. The infeed case conveyor consists of a 24-inch zoned zero-back pressure conveyor to allow gentle product backup during operation. Each box being picked weighs approximately 40 pounds, thus this system helped the customer to drastically reduce worker strain and injuries. Each high-speed FANUC palletizing robot in the system can handle a combined case rate of 25 cases per minute. For this and more, from FANUC America Authorized System Integrator StrongPoint Automation, please visit strongpointautomation.com.